Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can FaceTime or call someone from iMessage. So if I go to this message, there's already like a FaceTime button on the top right corner. But what if that doesn't show up? You're just going to go back, and I'm just going to go to a chat where the button isn't there. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on their profile picture, and then here you can either video call them or just call them. As you can see, there are these two buttons on this tab. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!